Konnichiwa minasan! Today, we will be talking about this. これは何ですか? But before we start, I just want to say that the information that I'll be sharing came from different sources that I've gathered around the internet. Yosh, hajime yo! So this is a Japanese wooden sword. It is called Bokken or Bokuto. Bokken or Bokuto are wooden swords primarily used for martial arts weapon training. Ginagamit sila sa kendo, kenjutsu, ninjutsu, iaido, budo, and other different Japanese martial arts. But sometimes ginagamit din ng shinai kaysa Bokken. Shinai is made of bamboo while Bokken is made of wood, traditionally from red oak or white oak. The word Bokken is used by people outside Japan or people in the West. You will rarely hear the word Bokken in Japan, but rather they use Bokuto. Bokken is a combination of two words from the words Boku or Moku, that means wood, and Ken, that means sword. So Bokken. And also Bokuto from the words Moku or Boku, that means wood, and To came from katana. So, Bokuto. Though mas precise ang word na Bokuto as it means wooden katana than Bokken, that means wooden sword, it is accepted na they have the same meaning. So, kahit anong gamitin nyo, okay lang guys. So guys, this is my Bokken. It's made of oak, it's handmade. Nabili ko siya from Shopee. You can check out my unwrapping vid later. Link will be in the description. So, check it out guys. So, I named her Tashigi. Yes, right, Tashigi, right after the cute swordswoman in One Piece. And I use Tashigi to practice Suburi and Kamae. Yes, I practice mag-isa rito sa bahay guys. I watch a lot of YouTube vids. Yun. Wala tayong school. Wala pa ako nakitang kendo school or kenjutsu school, iaido around here. So, self-training muna. So, the Bokken originated way back feudal Japan. The samurai warriors used it to train. Ginagamit nila to Bokken or Bokuto to train their katana skills. Siyempre guys, kahit sino naman, di ba? Hindi kayo mag-ispadahan or mag-train using a live blade. Hindi kayo mag-sparring lalaban using a live blade. You will use a wood for safety purposes, right? Kasi magkakasakitan. Kasi mga katanas, they are extremely sharp. Kaya they have the risk of killing each other kung mag-train sila using real katanas. So they prefer Bokken or yes, sometimes Shinai. There are actually many different types of Bokken, but basically they mimic the size, length, and shape of a real katana. But yes, other Bokkens are also designed differently. They have different length, size, or shape. Like this one, guys, as you can see, it's shorter. It's called Shoto. It resembles the wakizashi. And I think it's made of akagashi or red oak. Ito guys, nakuha ko lang for only 50 pesos. Chamba guys, kasi may garage sale dito sa village and nag-walk lang kami ni Asher ng dog. Tapos napadaan lang kami. Then, ang daming Japanese items. Then, we stopped by to nagtingin-tingin. Then, nakita ko to guys, and they sold it for me for only 50 pesos, diba? And I think it's really Japanese made. As you can see, ang ganda ng wood. Ganda ng pagkagawa. And it's akagashi. I named her Kuina. Yes, Kuina and Tashigi. Yeah. For One Piece fans, shout out. Alam niyo kung ano sinasabi ko, right? And now guys, I will tell you the name of the parts of the Bokken. Yes guys, may mga pangalan itong mga parts niya. This, itong handle. The handle is called the tsuka. This is the handguard. It's called the tsuba. Next, itong rubber na something, itong stopper na katabi ng tsuba. Para hindi mag-slide out yung tsuba. Itong stopper, it's called tsubadome. The back of the blade, ito, itong non-sharpened, it's called the mune. And the edge of the blade is called ha. The ridge, ito guys, meron siyang ridge. Ito. The ridge, it's called the shinogi. And guys, itong part na ito, about 6 to 8 inches. It's the cutting, or in this case, a bokken, the striking part of the blade. It's called monouchi. Ito yung pinang-strike, ito yung pinang-hit. You do not strike from here, right? You strike from here. You will use this part, the monouchi. And lastly, the point of the blade here. Yung dulo, the point of the blade, it's called the kisaki. So there you have it, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo. And yes, as you can see, the Bokuto or Bokken are still used nowadays, not only in Japan but all over the world. They are still used to train swordsmanship. And yes, guys, I try to train by myself. I watch a lot of vids from different sources. And try ko naman gawin yung mga instruction nila here sa bahay. And I think I'm learning quite a few. I'm learning to properly swing, properly hold the suburi, the kamae, and other stuff. So kung may bokken kayo, try to train also. It's good for the arms na rin. Exercise na rin siya. And guys, if you also want your own bokken, check out my unwrapping vid. And sinabi ko dyan kung saan ko siya nabili. Okay, before we end, mag-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout to Klein Peñaflor, Kabsat. Shoutout to Mark Lester Lucas. Shoutout to Chester Maniwang, Junel Narciso, Mabilis Agulunan. Shoutout to Angelo Volante. Shoutout Marvin Bison. Shoutout KG, Axel Ross Francisco. And shoutout to John Joffrey Reyes, Senpai. Yosh minasan, thank you for watching. If you want a shoutout sa next vlog, just comment below. Ja, mata ne!